stuck trying to delete your Zillow business account but can't access the old email. It's a common dilemma. Your Zillow presence remains, but the original email is gone, leaving you locked out. Since direct login isn't an option, our strategy involves two main approaches: attempting account recovery, and if that fails, contacting Zillow support. First, try Zillow's standard password recovery even without email. Some platforms offer alternative verification like security questions or a linked phone number. This is your quickest route. If direct recovery proves impossible, contact Zillow's dedicated customer support. Go to the Zillow Help Center and find Contact Us or submit a request. When you reach out, be prepared with specific information proving ownership: your business name, any former listing addresses, and that inaccessible email address. Clearly state your request. You need to delete your Zillow business account because you can't access the associated email. Explain concisely and provide any requested details. Be patient, as this process often involves back and forth. Persistence is key to ensuring your request is processed successfully. By following these steps, you can effectively remove your Zillow business account, even when your primary access method is unavailable. If this guide helped, give us a like and subscribe for more tips. Share your similar experiences in the comments below.